政總裁應淦鵬先生以及練馬師龔東尼先生一齊為我哋頒發獎項俾周俊樂，俾啲熱烈掌聲恭喜晒周俊樂 Jerry。Congratulations and thank you to our CEO and Mr. Cruz。跟住落嚟，我哋會頒發嘅咧就係最受歡迎騎師啦。嗱，呢個獎咧就係由公眾投票選出㗎。今季最受歡迎嘅騎師咧就係獲得53.1% 票數嘅潘頓。嗱，佢今季咧亦都係勇奪冠軍騎師嘅殊榮㗎，係名副其實嘅雙料冠軍騎師。The most popular jockey winner is Zach Purden with 53.1% of popular vote。嗱，潘頓咧係再次榮獲最受歡迎騎師殊榮㗎。打破咗香港騎師嘅頭馬紀錄，勝出超過2000場嘅賽事，同嘉應高升合作，更加係獲得5場一級賽嘅勝利，表現卓越㗎。Zach Purden once again crowned the most popular jockey with over 2,000 wins to date and partnering with Kayan Rising, capturing 5 Broadway victories in this season. Congratulations！ 喺呢個時候，我哋有請本會董事洪思和先生將最受歡迎騎師嘅獎狀頒俾潘頓。I would like to invite Mr. Nicholas T. Hansford, steward of the Hong Kong Jockey Club, to present the award to Zach Purden. Congratulations to Zach. Double happiness of the year, and thank you, Mr. Hansford. 好啦，繼續落嚟嗰個我哋頒發咧就係最受歡迎馬匹啦。嗱，今季呢個獎項咧真係競爭相當之激烈㗎，而最終脫穎而出嘅得主咧係獲得53.1% 嘅票數支持㗎。Now we come to the most popular horse of the year. The winner of this year's most popular horse receiving more than 53.1% of the public vote. 最受歡迎馬匹就係嘉應高升 Kayan Rising。香港馬王之一嘉應高升嘅今季將連勝紀錄係增加至20場㗎，係2025年旺琴全球最佳賽區，而今日31分咧係並列世界第一，深受我哋馬迷嘅愛戴㗎。One of the horses of the year, Kayan Rising has captured racing fans' heart and extended his winning streak to 20 consecutive victories, skyrocketing his international rating to staggering 131 points. 喺呢個時候，我哋有請香港賽馬會副主席黃家純先生將呢個獎項頒發俾嘉應高升嘅馬主嘉應團體代表梁石光先生。And now I would like to invite Mr. Lester Wang, Deputy Chairman of the Hong Kong Jockey Club, to present this award to Mr. Lang Shek-Kong, the owner representative of Kayan Rising。俾多次熱烈嘅掌聲，我哋嘅最受歡迎馬匹，恭喜晒黎生 and thank you Mr. Wang。跟住落嚟亦都係我哋今晚最後一個冠軍人馬獎嘅獎項啦，就係即將為大家揭曉冠軍練馬師。嗱，今季冠軍練馬師可以話係鬥得難分難解啦，直到我哋歸尾咧倒數嘅第二個賽事即係今日咧，結果終於塵埃落定啦。我哋嘅冠軍練馬師得主就係方嘉柏。The winner of this year's championship is Casper Down。嗱，方嘉柏係從年以嚟第5度嘅榮經冠軍練馬師㗎。今個賽季直至今日已經贏出係69場嘅頭馬，用實力證明5屆嘅冠軍真正嘅王者風範。Casper has already recorded 69 wins as of today in this season. It continues to showcase exactly what is taken to be truly a 5-time champion. 喺呢個時候咧，我已經見到啦，香港賽馬會主席廖長江先生就係將呢個獎項頒發咗俾方嘉柏。And we have the Honourable Martin Wu, Chairman of the Hong Kong Jockey Club, just presenting the award to Casper Fowles。恭喜晒！呢個時候當然就係大合照嘅時候啦。Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the group photo. Congratulations once again to all our champion awards winner。再一次恭喜晒我哋一眾冠軍人馬獎嘅得主。Ladies and gentlemen, look at all the media friends in the front。我哋望望正前方所有嘅攝影師同我哋記者朋友，全場嘅你哋靠你哋嘅掌聲祝福佢哋好唔好？對於見證嘅你喺今個馬季嘅非常之驕傲嘅成績啊！多謝晒！咁大家都知道嚟到呢個時候，當然唔少得就係開香檳啦，係咪啊？我再一次咧要呢個儀式咧，去為我哋各個嘅冠軍人馬做得最慶祝啊 ！Are we all ready to celebrate? Now it's time to pop champagne together. Get ready on the count of 3, ladies and gentlemen. Are we all ready? our Suez CEO and Zach, please remain on stage. 話我哋冠軍人馬獎嘅頒獎儀式咧就完結，但係喺台上面我哋繼續會頒另外一啲嘅獎項，亦都係咧其實呢個嘅獎咧係所有馬迷咧都係可以一齊參與嘅喎。Thank you very much. Okay, Sai. And Zach, we need you to remain on stage for another important presentation. 嗱，唔知各位馬迷咧之前有冇參加到咧投你所好，你喜愛王者及騎師嘅投票活動啊？同埋咧就係留言啊，去寫低今個馬季你最喜愛嘅高光時刻。嗱，大會咧就選出咗10個最動人嘅分享，咁每得獎者咧，哇，睇到啦喺台上面嚇，就可以獲得咧我哋指定嘅鍍金進化體驗一件一。Did all of you join our vote for your favorite champion and jockey activity and share your favorite moments of this racing season? 10 winners with most touching stories have been selected and each will receive, wow, we can see now, a designated host 24K gold foiled ornaments. 而我哋將會咧就由我哋今季嘅冠軍騎師同埋最受歡迎騎師咧潘頓為我哋做呢個頒獎就最適合啦。And now we have our champion jockey and most popular jockey, Zach Burton, to help us through this presentation. 喺呢個時候，我哋請10位嘅得獎者上台。Let's invite our 10 winners on stage. 非常之幸運啊，可以喺潘頓手上咧得到呢一個嘅獎狀啊！嗱，呢一刻咧，大家係睇住佢哋領獎嘅時候，都可以望下熒光幕啦，就係佢哋咧寫咗一啲好動人嘅分享，家燕高升締造咗20場嘅連勝，新一代嘅女騎師黃寶莉啊，話俾人知啦，女騎師都可以有好好嘅成績㗎。潘頓跑馬地贏得2000場嘅頭馬，全場係喜立歡呼。10多年間，呢個地方默默耕耘，希望見到佢3000場嘅紀錄，哇，非常之感動啊！我哋10位嘅得獎者而家就喺潘頓手上咧去得到啦。而至於家燕高升已經締造咗20場係連贏嘅佳績，浪漫勇士亦都係締寫咗歷史嚇。咁啊，浪漫勇士3冠王咧係令我哋更加激氣嘅數字天文，亦都有好好嘅成績啊！浪漫勇士出戰女王杯面對外敵，我哋亦都係全場見證潘頓殺旗家燕高升締造20場嘅連勝。所有呢啲嘅分享咧，都係我哋馬迷佢嘅心底説話，亦都見證咗咧大家我對我哋今季嘅馬季嘅關注嚇。再一次恭喜晒10位嘅得獎者，影翻張大合照啦！We can see all the winners' messages, and it's clear that everyone has been paying close attention to the Hong Kong racing for this wonderful season. 好，再次恭喜晒10位 ，thank you， 恭喜晒 ，thank you 晒。